all the people around us right now. This is so crazy. What in the world is going on? This is the strangest thing. And then there's Joe up there. Oh gosh, I've had more and more people scream at this car. They don't know what it is. They say it's a Lamborghini. No, it's a Ferrari. It's actually a McLaren.
Tell us on the strip, Benny. Where are you?
What's gonna happen? Joe won that one. Well, we have made it to the signature Las Vegas sign, and it looks kind of drizzling outside, and I believe a ton of Mustangs are gonna be cruising this way from the south direction of Las Vegas and then going up and down the strip. Got the entire lineup right here, as you can see. Really exciting. So it seems like we've caught up with all the Shelbys. There's a lot of them. Look at that thing right there. Hopping back into the McLaren. We're gonna be joining the Mustang group right now. Let's get on the road.
That was a show.
That was awesome, man. Oh gosh. It's fun though, isn't it? You can see the flames, huh? Boom. Side by side, 600 LTs shooting flames. This is a full takeover of the whole event right now. This is so crazy because everyone's staring and they cannot believe their eyes because vertical exhaust pipes shooting flames. It's so cool. How you guys doing? Love the car.
What are you doing here?
Just joining. It's fun, man. We've been shooting flames. I'm not sure if you saw it at all.
Oh, I didn't see it.
But we're gonna be doing up there more, I think, once I catch up to the other McLaren.
All right.
But it's fun though. You guys going to the Shelby car show tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay,
Over there.
yeah, I'll see you then, man.
Dual McLaren.
Side by side, we were shooting it. It was cool. I don't have any marshmallows. I'll have to get some later.
Looks like 30 Shelbys passed and not one of them was one of the ones I was waiting for.
What's going on?
It's like the only time you could ever say that.
Wait, so Benny, are you behind me?
Yeah, I'm right behind you.
And then Jonathan's behind you?
Correct.
So what I'll do is that I'll get over into the right lane so I can get some cool shots of Jonathan shooting flames right next to me. Okay, go ahead and do it. Got it! That looks amazing!
Burn, baby, burn!
Bird, baby, bird! There's Sir Joe. Nice car! There goes Joe, way back there. Mustangs everywhere! Flame on, am I right? This is so funny. Hey, Jonathan, is that your first time shooting flames in the 600?
Might be on like 52 times.
The official snack of today's adventure is a Mickey Mouse goldfish. So this is the nighttime street action of Las Vegas. And I'd love seeing all the Mustangs, I really do. And the Mclaren just thrown into it. It makes it so exciting. I'm so happy to be out here supporting all the Mustangs though, because deep down I'm a Mustang enthusiast. Having the Shelbys, the 500 track pack, the 500, the Super Snake VR just keeps going. And seeing all the customized ones out here too, it's really special. It's so awesome. Plus meeting all these people, because we're all car enthusiasts deep down. Plus being on the strip, I mean, people keep screaming or just running up to take videos of the cars because they're out here to have fun as well. Rolls Royce.
Couldn't stop my car.
Okay.
Level are you? The sound of the eight.
Today has been one crazy journey. I want to thank all of you for tuning in for it. I hope you enjoyed all the action. Please let me know if you've had any experience like that before. Anyways, though, thanks for watching this video again. Make sure to hit that like button if you liked it. Also, subscribe for much more great supercar content coming your way and Mustang Shelby content, right? I'll see all of you in the next episode.